Hello everyone, Robert here with a TechGeek 311 sort of a app web-based type of automation tool. And pretty much what this tool is, this is called Buffer. It's used primarily to schedule your posts, such as for Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, those kind of things. What I like the most about this though is this has automated my social media platforms like tenfold, big time. This app I used to have a while back before. It didn't work as well. It worked okay, but they've had lots and lots of updates so far. And this update so far, the last one that I've seen so far, has really made this app, I would say a 10. So I don't know about the other reviews on the App Store, but for me it's a 10. Now, this app is primarily website based. So that means you can schedule all your posts and you don't have to actually have your phone on a network for all those posts to go through. The only one that does not automatically post itself is Instagram. And that's because of Instagram's policy, whatever that is. So what I love the most about this one, I'll go ahead and show you down here. You can pretty much set up your queue, which is what postings you want to do for your social networks. You have also for your review once it's gone through, so you can repost it again. And then you have your inbox. Now you can go through here and you can look at your posts, your insights. Now there is a paid subscription on this one, so I want you guys to know that. So all this stuff that I'm showing you here, insights and all that, that's all part of the paid subscription. You have actually two subscription models you can do. The Awesome Plan, which is currently what I'm doing right now, and that basically gives me the option to use other social networks. Gives me the option to post, do a couple of, like, I don't know what it is, like 1,000 posts or something per month. It's kind of a basic plan, but it gives me what I need to do. The other plans on here, the small business plan. Okay, this one's $100 a year. This one will allow you to get your analytics. So tell you exactly how your posts are doing, which posts are doing better, and what you should be doing to increase your engagement. So that's why I want to let you guys know ahead of time. There is an in-app purchase, so you'll want to make sure you look into which one's best for you. So as you can see in here, they give you, of course, the description here, and you can see the current date when the last update was. So it has been updated recently. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through here and I'm going to show you guys how the app works, because the app and the website are pretty much the same. There's a couple of features that are in the website that the app doesn't have, but the app for the most part works very well. So I'm going to go into the app itself. Now I've got it set up with a lot of posts. So if you guys want to go ahead and start following me on all my social networks, okay, right here, you'll see all my social networks here, and you guys can follow me on all those networks. If you need those links, they're all going to be down below in the description. So make sure you guys can click on those links and you can see. All right, you can see right here, it gives you the numbers 0, 16, 9, and so forth. That tells you exactly how many posts are in there, and what it's in blue shows you what active network that I'm showing you at this point. So it currently is Twitter. And then here's Facebook. You can see you got Facebook, and now it's not my Facebook personal page, it's my Facebook business page, so my TechGeek 311 page. So you guys want to check that out because I got a lot of stuff on there. Of course, you got Google Plus in here, the LinkedIn, and you can see the way the post is set up. So it's got the time it's going to post. That's according to my schedule. It's got the picture, it's got the description, and it's got the little link on the bottom, wherever the post came from. Now, if you go on top, you can look at review. And this will show you anything that's available that, like I said, is for business. You can look at your content inbox if you have anything in the inbox. And this is the feeds that I'm currently following. So you can go in here and you can manage your feeds. You can add new feeds, create new feeds, delete new feeds, and then you can pretty much post anything you want from those feeds. If we go down here on the bottom, we have the analytics, which shows you your current posts that you've done before. And of course, the insights is for the business plan. You have your schedule. So you can create as many schedules as you want, your time zone, and you can add in here on your schedule which days of the week you want it to post, and you can change the times here on the bottom. And over here is your settings. This basically gives you your settings per account, telling you little things you can fix and add up and change and so forth on there. Each one has exactly the same thing depending on the type that it is. Now, let's say we go in here. Let's say we go into, so let's go into one of these. So now, let's say we're in here. You want to post something new. You have the big add button on the bottom. You press add, you can just type in whatever you want. Set your post in, set your pictures, photo, and then you have a buffer button on the bottom. If you hit that share button, then it's going to give you the option to do a custom time or to post immediately if you want to, if you don't want to buffer it. So you have those options in there. Like I said, in here, you'll see the ones in blue. There's ones in blue and all that. Those are ones that you set up separate that will be on your schedule. So you can post those at different times. You don't have to be on the schedule all times. You can also shuffle your schedule around. If you want to shuffle them around in different orders, you can do that as well. So you can see here, I have all my accounts here. You can add new accounts on the top. You can upgrade to business on the bottom, and you get your support and so forth on there. Alright, so that's pretty much how the app works. I love it. I've been using it every single day. I've been adding posts on there and adding all my affiliate links and my videos and social networks, things that are my viewers like you guys are interested in. That's what I've been setting up on here to post for you guys. Okay, so that is the app. And next we're going to go into the website, and I'll show you a few features on there. So now we are in the buffer.com website. And as you can see here, my posts are very similar to what you just saw on the phone app. So you can see all those separate posts in here. If I go into here, you can see here's these posts here for this. These are the Twitter posts. You can see which ones are in there. You can see the Pinterest post, the Google Plus post, and so forth. So you can see there, that's exactly how everything is set up. Looks exactly the same. The only difference is when you're on the web, you see how you have the blank times in here? You can now post in those separate times. So they give you your whole schedule in a breakdown, and then you can pretty much just post anywhere you want. Now, same thing as in here. You have the analytics on top. Okay, and this gives you here analytics. Tells you exactly all your stuff in here. You have your schedule. So you have your breakdown of your schedule. You have your settings for each one, link shortening and so forth. And then you have your content, as usual. Now in analytics, it'll give you your post, it'll give you analysis, but it's for business, and it'll give you insights, which are for business. So your post, this will give you pretty much your basic analytics, tell you comments, clicks, and so forth. Give you the option to rebuffer it. You can scroll down here and see if you have any of your posts that are your top post. So you can scroll down, and see if you have anything that's top. And then that'll help you out with your stuff. So let's say we go into Facebook, for example, go into my analytics, and you can look in here and you can see pretty much if you have any comments, reach, whatever it is. Like this one here, you can see right here, where it just pointed out, that's a top post. So you can see likes and reach and shares and so forth. Then you can repost those if you want. And you can look through all your analytics in here. And this is what comes with the awesome plan. Just so you guys know. If you get the business plan, you get a little more of a breakdown in here. And then, like I said, here, try 14 days for free and so forth on there. Now, one other beauty about Buffer, which I want to point out to you guys, is if you're in Chrome, for example, okay, you can get up here on the top, okay, you can get the app that'll work with Chrome, so you can go directly into Buffer, or you can get the Buffer extension. So any web page you're on, you can buffer content. You can automatically send content to Buffer, and it'll have the link, the pictures, and so forth on there. So this is basically how the system works. And what I love the most is I can go ahead and schedule all my stuff I need for the week, get it all in there, and then let Buffer do its job. Every single day, those posts go out to people. They automatically send to my social networks, and everyone gets my content daily. So that's the beauty about this app and website the most. So I wanted to give you guys this breakdown, show you guys how Buffer works, both the app-wise and the web-wise. And if you guys are interested in pushing your content out faster, getting your content out to your people more, this would be a fantastic app to use. I mean, I know there's a lot of different ones out there on the App Store, but I think this one is by far the best. And that's what I wanted to give you guys today. All right, so if you guys liked the video then, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Got all my links below. Check them out. Check out my affiliate sites, my blogs. Check out all my stuff that I have and my other social networks. And I hope to catch you guys on as one of my email list providers, or if you want interested in one of my products, go ahead and purchase them. That's what I wanted to give you guys today. That is Buffer in a nutshell. And I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, keep in touch, and I'll catch you guys later with more. Thanks for watching.